Once upon a time, on a golden sandy beach, there was a little crab named Charlie. Every day, Charlie loved to run along the shore, feeling the cool waves tickle his feet. But there was one thing Charlie loved more than anything else: watching the sunset. One evening, as the sun began to dip low in the sky, Charlie hurried to his favorite spot on the beach. He saw the sky turn bright orange, pink, and purple, and the waves shimmered like diamonds. Wow, it's so beautiful, Charlie whispered, his tiny claws clapping in delight. As he sat on a smooth rock, a gentle breeze ruffled his shell, and he noticed other animals starting to gather. A family of seagulls flew by, and a curious starfish stretched out on the sand beside him. Even the sea turtles were slowly making their way to the water, getting ready for the night. Charlie smiled and said, I think the sunset is a gift from the ocean. It reminds us that every day ends with something beautiful. As the last bit of sunlight disappeared behind the horizon, Charlie felt peaceful inside. The stars started to twinkle above, and the sounds of the waves whispered, Tomorrow we will do it all over again. Charlie gave a big stretch, ready for sweet dreams, knowing that no matter what, the sunsets would always be there to remind him of the magic in every day. As he closed his eyes, he whispered, Good night, sun. Good night, sea. And with that, he drifted off to sleep, dreaming of another perfect sunset tomorrow. Hope you liked the story. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you with another video with a drawing and a storytelling.